Hello everyone, hope you are all doing good and you are at home, healthy, safe. Here I am again with my another video. Today we are going to talk about a small story which is a beautiful failure. This beautiful failure which I will talk about today, it has happened somewhere in the past with me, and I want to share that particular story with you and what actually I take from that story along with me. I want to share with all of you today. So what happened, if you see some of my pictures which I would have already shared in this video, you can see I took all the efforts in a day to prepare a particular food because I am a foodie. So I tried something new. That was complete new thing. It was a fried chicken I wanted to prepare. I saw all the tutorials that I could. I went through all the process. I went out in the market, got the stuff. I was like all energetic to prepare it. I followed all the process that I could to prepare it, and if you see the outcome, it looks really delicious, it looks beautiful, but to some extent I was not satisfied. I was not satisfied with the taste that I got, because that was not up to the expectation what I thought it could have been. It could have been better. But why do I call it as a beautiful failure? Because if you see from the outside world, it might look you really beautiful, it might look delicious, or it might look tempting to you. But since I have prepared, I know how it turned out to be. It might look really good by the way it is presented, but there was a lack where I could see in the taste. So the main motto of telling this whole story is, all of us once or twice or maybe nth number of time we come across failures, we are stricken by failures, but the main motto is that we should not step back when we are stricken by failure. We should not take a step back thinking that we cannot do it again. Always remember that whenever failure strikes you, it gives you an opportunity to go one step closer to your success. It is a step closer, one step and another step. It might be that you have failed maybe 100 times, maybe you have not achieved it yet, but you don't have to give up. You have to keep trying. I know that success is not only the ultimate goal in our life. It doesn't mean that if you don't achieve success, that's the end of the world. No, it's not like that. It's never. Some people take it in an other way, that if they don't succeed in some aspect of their life, that's the end. That's the end of the life. That's not how it is supposed to be. We need to think that if we are failing anything, we need to work out what mistakes we did, and we need to take a step again to succeed. And always remember that the step, one step more you take every time towards the success, you are getting closer to it. You are getting more and more closer to it. So always remember, there are two categories of people in this world. Some don't want to try because they don't want to face or embrace failures. There are certain categories who fail and again get up and try. So always give a self-motivation to yourself that you can try. Maybe you may not succeed, but at least you are trying and learning new things at each step that you take. That's how you are getting closer to the success. So people out there who have already known the measures to take to succeed, well, that's good. Share with other people. And people who could not find out how you should succeed, or you might have given up on something, I would recommend that please look closely that what you could have mistaken at, what you can take the steps better to achieve it, and you never know when you will succeed. So that's the topic today. Let me know how it was, and if you have any success story of yours or the failures from which you have learned anything you want to share with us, please comment on my video and share your stories and experiences with me. And if you like it, subscribe my channel, like the video, and do share with people around, and let me know how it was. And till then, bye bye, take care.